Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'll be showing you just a few of the latest vintage watches that we picked up from a flea market. We managed to get a bulk deal for all of them. There are mostly Japanese watches, so Seiko, Citizen, some Bulova, and also I think there is a Pulsar or two. So let's have a look at them. If you're interested in buying any of these watches, make sure to go to vintageradar.com, link in the description below. I haven't managed to test the watches yet, but all of them that are in working condition, and we will clean them, polish them. We will post them on our website, so make sure to check them out. So the first one that we have is a Seiko. I really like these because they sell very well on our website. The quality is there when it comes to the movements, the accuracy, the bracelets, the cases, the metals that they have been using. Also here on the back you can easily tell which model they are. So as you can see, it is 2C206450. So there are a lot of people that actually are in search of certain models because they used to have them when they were kids or when they were younger. So this is a very nice way to get more clients. So here we have another Seiko, very nice crown. You can see a small stone here at the end of the crown. As you can see, it doesn't have a second hand. The bracelet looks to need a lot of cleaning, and also you can see that it has a lot of signs of aging. Also here you can see that this is 1N00, 0DN0. So a very nice ladies watch. There is something on the dial. As mentioned, these are mostly Japanese watches. So here we have a Citizen watch. The crystal is immaculate, which I really like. It has a second hand. We had this model before, but it's sold. Also here on Citizen you have the same thing. You can read the movement and the model here on the back, and usually they also have it written here at 6 o'clock, as you can see, and one is for the watch model and one is for the case model, I believe. Here we have another small ladies Seiko piece. As you can see, the strap is in very bad shape, but I really like the case. Most likely this came on a bracelet. Here we have another very beautiful one with the blue dial, and also you can see that it has a stone at 12 o'clock. So most likely a mother of pearl dial. Here on the back you can see the model and the serial number. Very nice bracelet. I really like it. It feels very good, so very high quality. Once again, that is why we really like Seiko and Citizen. Here we have another Seiko. Very interesting details on the bracelet, as you can see. Very beautiful. It has the original one here as well. And here on the back, as you can see, it still has the sticker. And the model is 13205249R. Here we have another one. The bracelet seems to have come off. As you can see, it has the signed bracelet and also here the model. Very interesting dial with most likely a patina. The dial was most likely gold tone, and now it has a little bit of a black tone or darkness. That might be from water damage or just from an exposure to light or to different stuff. We'll have to check it and see it. Here another ladies Seiko watch, very small case, the rectangular case, which is something that people really like also in different watch brands. So this is a very good watch that will sell for us. Here we have a Caravel by Bulova watch. Here it comes with the original bracelet, but is missing the stem from the watch crown. If it is in working condition, we will be able to replace that one. Here on the back you can see that we have Caravel and N8. That N8 actually translates to the year, so you can always go and find those years online. And also you can see that the bracelet is most likely gold plated. as you can see, 10K. So this is a very cool piece. Here we have a carriage. This is a brand made and owned by Timex. So this is on the lower end of Timex, a lady's watch. Here we have another Seiko. It misses the back, but if it is running, we will easily find a back for it. Most likely not a Seiko one, but something that will fit and hold the movement in place. You can see it has the date complication here at 3 o'clock. And also it will need a new crystal. Here we have a Pulsar, which is also made by Seiko, so it is also Japanese. You can see that it has the date complication, which means that you can actually set the day of the month and the day of the week. So that is pretty cool. You can see that it has a double date when it comes to the day of the week. So you can see that you have lun from lunes, which is in Spanish, Tuesday, martes, Wednesday, miércoles, and so on. So this is very cool. It comes on this two-tone bracelet. It has the small parts in gold tone, which are a little bit worn off, as you can see, and the exterior in silver tone. Here is the back. So you have a screw down back. You will need a watch wrench in order to rotate it counterclockwise and open it. So we'll see that. Here we have a very interesting watch. This is a racer. Not 100% sure who made it, but also you can see here it writes Japanese, so Japan movement. And let's see on the back, they have some kind of serial number, and here maybe by Orient, not quite sure. So this is something that we need to look up, but very nice, interesting piece. Here we have a very interesting piece. So it is a Loris. They are also made by Seiko. So you can see here on the back, it is Y4816080. Here we have a very beautiful piece. So as you can see, it is very thin. It is a quartz Seiko and it comes with the original bracelet. Here on the back you have the movement 73205039 and also the bracelet number. As you can see right here, it is signed Seiko. So that is pretty cool. I really hope this one works because it is really beautiful and this is a very elegant piece. Here we have another Seiko, but it seems to have a small crack right here, and this oval crystal will be hard to replace, but nonetheless it has the original bracelet. Very cool and interesting piece. Here we have another Seiko, this time in the two-tone. So we have the gold and silver tone on the bracelet and also on the dial. You can see the bezel, it is gold tone, and the details on the dial are blue, which is something very cool. It will need a new watch crystal. I'm not quite sure if this is glass or plastic. Maybe we can polish it. And here you can see that it has the original bracelet. Very cool piece. Here we have something very special. So as you can see, we have a Bulova. Here on the back you can see P0 and the serial number. You can see it has a blue stone here on the watch crown. Very, very beautiful piece. The watch dial seems to be a little bit off, so we will need to have a look at that. But this is a very special piece. So this is most likely the best piece from the lot. It has this very unusual and unique watch crystal, which is something like a cross. So the watch hand seems to be moving. That is a good sign. So it doesn't have any resistance or problems. We'll have to see if this one works. And I believe this is the last one from the lot. Another Pulsar. You can see that it is Lume Bright. So that means this one has the glow function, just as Timex Indiglow. So they have the same technology most likely. Pulsar is also made by Seiko. So this is another Japanese brand. Here on the back you can see Pulsar written, and it also has the screw down back, which gives you a lot better water resistance, and also it has the original strap. So that was the video, guys. Those were the watches from our latest visit to the flea market. We really love picking these watches up, so Seiko, Citizen, because they are really high quality when it comes to their movements, to their accuracy, and also people seem to love these watches, these Bulova, Seiko, Citizen, Japanese watches. It is great if you find some Swiss mechanical watches as well. But nonetheless, guys, we will also maybe make a few videos with some of the watches and show you how we clean them, how we test them, how we replace the batteries, the watch crystals, and how we actually bring these watches back to life. So if that is something that you are interested in, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also, if you saw a watch that you are interested in, make sure to contact us on our website, or you can leave a comment down below as well. Once again, guys, make sure to like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and until next time, all the best.